Okay, welcome back. I did not realize that there was only one slide we had left to do on the Fifth Amendment. So this will be real quick. So we talked about the Due Process Clause and how the government doesn't necessarily have to compensate private owners when they take property to avoid pollution. And I talked about the EPA a little bit and um, the government just doesn't have to compensate if it's for the environment or they claim it's for the environment. But the due process clause here has brought with it a lot of challenges because we live in a modern welfare state. So the breadth of action that the state takes and the diversity of the interactions that the state has with private owners really have sort of multiplied the gray areas in which our government, federal and state, really burden, because Illinois can do this too, burden some owners more than others in terms of the takings clause. So the key areas of dispute here about the meaning of the takings clause here relate to how much the government can burden an individual property owner before it triggers its obligation to pay just compensation. And these are areas that it should say these are areas on which there are separate and different views. But that's the end of the Fifth Amendment. So there you go.